Hello, today we'll be talking about the sample function. The sample function allows us to pull random data from a data source. So let's look at some examples. So to use the sample function, I do sample and then my data. So in this case, the value is 1 to 6, and then I'm going to pull one of those values randomly. So I hit enter, and I get, this time I got the value 6. So if I want to pull more, I can, in this case, go up to 6. So I can go 1:6, comma 6, and then I'm randomly sampling without replacement. So I'm not putting the numbers back into the sample. So in this case, I am sampling from 1 to 6, pulling out 1, and then throwing it away, then pulling out another number, 3, and throwing it away, and so forth. So now, just so that we can see what happens here, if I do 1:6, comma 7, so I want to try to pull 7 data points, I can't take a sample larger than the population. So to ensure that I can take a sample of size 7 from the values 1 to 6, I can just add the argument replace and have the value there be true. So I'm doing sampling with replacement now. So now I can pull data points from the values 1 to 6, and in this case we're observing 1 multiple times, 2 is occurring multiple times, and in this case we never saw 6 either. So that was a quick overview of the sample function in base R. If you like this, please like, comment, and subscribe.